Hi guys! Today we'll reactivate your CapCut account. If you've signed out or want to access your account again, just follow these simple steps. After unlocking your phone, open the CapCut app. Tap the profile icon to open your account page. From there, tap Sign In at the top of the screen. Choose the same method you originally used to create your CapCut account, such as Apple, Google, Facebook, or another available option. Using the same account is important to access your existing profile. After selecting your sign-in method, tap Continue. If you're using sign-in with Apple, complete the Face ID verification when prompted. Once the verification is complete, you'll be signed back into your CapCut account. Your account will be reactivated, and you can continue using your projects and account features. And that's how you can easily reactivate your CapCut account step by step. Once completed, you'll be signed back into your account and can continue editing your videos. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.